Sometimes you may find it necessary to reprint a customer sheet. Perhaps it was because the mileage was incorrectly entered, like when the previous sample was entered as 10,200 instead of 12,000. Don't worry, there is a way to fix this quickly and easily. Simply follow the same process as before by starting at the Activate interface, paste the VIN from the DMS, and type in the correct mileage before clicking Search. Here, you will see the customer information from earlier today. Confirm the benefit period to be displayed as correct and click the blue Print Sheet button. A window will pop up displaying a customer's revised activation sheet. Click Print again to send the sheet to the printer, then one last time to finish the job. If you need to reprint a sheet for a customer but have no changes to make, there are two ways to do this. First, at the Activate interface, enter the VIN and mileage as before, then click Search. You will see the printer icon just to the right of the customer's first name. Simply click the icon and follow the print dialog directions as you did when you first activated benefits. The second way to reprint a customer sheet is to use the Customer Search feature. Search by VIN, name, or email address to find the customer account. Confirm the name and VIN are a match for the customer, then click Vehicles. When you find the most current activation, you will see a printer icon next to your dealership name. Click this printer icon and once again, follow the print dialog directions as before. Simple, fast, and easy access to your customers' DriveSure benefits.